Colonel Mehta, come here. Please, 1 second. All your young officers, I have noticed, they are putting their hands in the ice bucket to take ice. All you men, you go to the loo. You don't wash after. Same hand in the ice bucket. It's unhygienic. Please pass orders. Tell them to use tongs. My dad was like, ma'am, orders are already in place. Tongs have been placed in the men's bathroom. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. You guys having a nice time? Yes. Except for some. अगली बार पीछे बैठना सर. आपकी तो पूरी कथा मैं अपने जोक भूल गया. इतना संगीन मामला नहीं. मजा आ रहा है आपको? आप किसी और की लग रही है. चलो गुड बाय. माय नेम इज मानिक मेहता and I am an army brat who was trained by the Air Force. Wait for it. I'm an army brat trained by the Air Force to fly for the Navy. Now. पढ़ी लिखी ऑडियंस. Very nice. हाँ सर पहले कर लो. आपका SSB है क्या है? मैं कर लूँ सर. मेरे 20 मिनट है. People are following the Olympics right now. हाँ कि क्रिकेट में ही. You watch the cricket World Cup? Nobody's got out of that. The second one is the one we won. Cricket World Cup, any format, does to Indians what puberty does to teenagers. देखा आपने? फूट फूट के निकलते हैं देशभक्ति के पिंपल. But this time I watched the commentary. हिंदी किसी ने सुनी है क्या? हिंदी commentary strongly recommend, please, because first came Hinduism, then came Buddhism, followed by Siddhuism. Final match, Virat Kohli, the first match where he played well. He is on the crease. He hit a 4. Sidhu hit a 6 from the commentary box. Oh, गुरु, बिना खाद के भी कीचड़ में कमल उगता है. ठीक है, बीजेपी वाले हैं क्या? अभी तो मैंने खत्म नहीं किया. बिना खाद के भी कीचड़ में कमल उगता है और दवाई खाने के बाद भी लूज मोशन कहाँ रुकता है? विराट कोहली इंडिया का लूज मोशन है. आज नहीं रुकेगा. ठोको ताली. मोदी जी भी देख रहे थे मैच. बोला मित्रों अमित जी ये वाला हम यूज कर सकते हैं अगले इलेक्शन में. इसमें कमल भी है और राहुल बाबा को लूज मोशन बना देंगे. So I got a YouTube video called Fauji Life and it's about humor in uniform. And after I released that video, I have opened 3 SSB coaching centers. 2, wait for it, 2 aviation training academies, and I also do counseling for LASIK surgery for chashmus who want to fly. Yeah, that's comments are very cute, man. Very cute comments. बहुत ही मतलब कि sir जय हिंद, जय हिंद. 2 times SSB failed, sir. Please help. मैं चुटकुले सुना रहा हूँ यार मैं. Please help. Very cute comments. Very nice. It's very nice. One guy went one step further. One post he was like, sir, I want to be you. Not like you. I want to be you. And I was like, no, you don't. For that you get free complimentary counseling session with my mom. By the end of it, you will unlike, unshare, unsubscribe and hang yourself from the bell icon. But yeah, you can clap. मैडम ने बोला ये 2 क्लैप वाला जोक था. ये कहाँ से ऐसे कैसे कहाँ? But some people are rude, man. Very rude. Below the belt, above the knees, where it hurts most. इतना rude. मैं सोचता हूँ कि तू मेरी बीवी भी नहीं है यार. इतना जहर कहाँ से आ रहा है? कहीं फेक अकाउंट बना के तो नहीं आएगी? Very rude, man. Very rude. This guy, he slipped into my DMs. I look old, but I know all the lingo, okay? Slip, sloop and all. Yeah. सा बांधा है. And he was like, do not make jokes on defense forces. Mind it. Talaiva. Mind it. So normally I don't reply. I just, delete the comment, block the account and go to my bathroom and cry. Normally. But अभी मैंने मैच देखा था. So I was inspired by Sidhuism and I read this comment and I was like, गुरु मूली के पराठे खाने से गैस होती है और भैंस भी अपना पिछवाड़ा अपनी पूंछ से धोती है. Then I replied, I do jokes primarily only on defense forces. So देख लो क्या करना है फिर. You're like, change your profession. मैं कर दिया. But बाप कैसे चेंज करे? Another comment. Very nice comment. Very nice तो नहीं. Not funny at all. Playing on his veteran card. So कार्ड तो हमारे पास बहुत है. ECHS कार्ड, कैंटीन कार्ड, आई कार्ड. But I didn't reply on that DM because I was like, I will only reply once this guy gets his voter card and stops using his dad's debit card. Because they're not their fault, man. Smartphones, dumb kids. So यही होता है. See, defense is not taking offense. Defense people in the audience make some noise. Defense people are buying tickets. But ये 50 फॉलोअर वाले 50 किलोग्राम वाले टिश्यू पेपर वाले लड़के 2 टाइम्स SSB फेल. इनको बड़ा ऑफेंस, मतलब ट्यूशन लेने की उम्र में ऑफेंस ले रहे हैं. अच्छा था ना? आप ले रहे हो ट्यूशन? कुछ भी ले रहे हो आप, किसी के ले रहे हो, कुछ भी मतलब. And that's why from the next show we will check iCards and dependent cards. It's a security hassle. देखो शो का नाम है फौजी लाइफ. कुछ तो फौजी आएंगे. अब यहाँ पे एक ISI एजेंट ने एक सुतली बॉम्ब लगा दिया. बट ISI एजेंट है तो उसका सुतली बॉम्ब भी फुसी होएगा. फौजी लाइफ is what I talk about. And just complete the sentence for me. Like in Fauj, you follow orders. Otherwise, people get transferred. Almost correct. No, but yeah, you were right, but I was funnier. So, but this still finds that die is a very normal, anticipation. Yesterday in the show, one lady said, "Screw you." एक मिनट. Let me just. People die. People screw you. और मैं यहाँ पे पंच लेके बैठा था, get transferred. Amazing, ma'am. Screw you. आपके हस्बैंड को क्या हुआ? ऐसी ACR मेरी आंखों से खून निकल गया. So you get transferred. But there are hacks, So one hack is that whenever or whatever command you get from the commander, the response should always be, yes, sir, followed by whatever you want to say. Whatever. Like the army general says, hey, Mehta, we need to dig a well right in the middle of this unit ground. Yes, general. Not in my tenure. Yes, admiral. तुम्हें एडमिरल किसने बना दिया? Or you can do things like my dad. My dad was asked to host or organize the army station party, officers party, and he did a good job. But the general's wife called him. She's like, Colonel Mehta, come here, please, 1 second. All your young officers, I have noticed, they are putting their hands in the ice bucket to take ice. All you men, you go to the loo. You don't wash after. Same hand in the ice bucket. It's unhygienic. Please pass orders. Tell them to use tongs. And can I have another Jack Daniels on the rocks? A lot of ice, please. My dad said, yes, ma'am. Next party, same thing. Colonel Mehta, look at your young officers putting on. Please pass orders. Tell them to use tongs. My dad was like, ma'am, orders are already in place. tongs have been placed in the men's bathroom. All the officers are using tongs. You can clap. You can clap. No problem. In fact, the general has passed supplementary orders. He has asked us to procure wooden tongs. तो दिल्ली में सर्दी बहुत आती है तो करंट लगता है. You can laugh, you can clap. Laugh, clap. Don't imagine. Don't imagine. Youngster is thinking different sizes. There are different sizes of tongs, sir. Catering for everybody. Some ladies are like, darling, we need tongs in the bedroom. है ना? But I'll tell you the power of comedy. You know, I was in the Navy for 26 years, but I started doing comedy 9 years back when I was in the Navy. I did the Navy night. That's a very big function in the Navy. And everybody was happy. But next day, the Admiral, the Chief of Staff, the Admiral, he marched me up with my CO. So I was in an air station. And the Admiral was like, inappropriate double meaning jokes. You said this, but I have a dirty mind. I said, yes, sir. Shut up! This officer will not do any jokes outside the ship, outside the base. So I was like, sir, open mic, sir. No, whatever, you know, muster and fall in all the officers and sailors of the ship and let him do his jokes, whatever, in the ship. बाहर नहीं जाएगा ये. So उस दिन के बाद, that whole air station had 0 disciplinary cases. Can you see the power of comedy? The power of comedy. सब sailors, officers ने बोला, हम ढंग से काम कर लेंगे, तो इसके चुटकुले नहीं सुनेंगे. That is the power of comedy. So that's why Fauj में you follow orders to the T, otherwise people die. In fact, some orders you follow to die. I remember I was on a attachment, sub-lieutenant's attachment with the army in the forward area in J&K. And we were an army unit, Siklai unit because my dad was in Siklai. And army tradition in the officer's mess, you wait till the commanding officer finishes his drink. So he's having his drink. वो बात कर रहा है कैनॉट प्लेस में यार वो नरूलास के साथ वो कचौड़ी वाला खड़ा है नया वाला वो उसकी हाँ तो बड़े नहीं यार ये वो तभी he got his night report on the field telephone. They have a field telephone. He picked the phone. उसमें गोलियों की आवाज आ रही थी उसमें. So this Anglo-Indian CO commanding Sikh troops went. और छड़ना नहीं उन्होंने छड़ना नहीं पूरी LMG पूरी बेल्ट निकाल दे. Don't stop firing. छड़ना नहीं गन चलती रहनी चाहिए एकदम. And he kept the phone down. यार वो कचौड़ी की ना चटनी बड़ी यार केले वाली चटनी केले वाली. मैंने कहा ये क्या बंदा है यार ये अभी यहाँ पे गोलियों के आवाज चिल्ला इतना तो चल रहा है. And suddenly he is like इमली की चटनी से याद आ रही है. And after that, right after that, the mess havaldar, the senior most Jawan in the officers mess, he comes and makes a report. So the Jawan came and he's like, सत श्री अकाल जनाब, भोजन तैयार है श्रीमान. That is the day I realized that no army report is complete without a little bit of phlegm flying around. जब तक wetness नहीं होती ना, wetness होनी चाहिए wetness. Navy is not like that. Navy, you know, we are very optimistic about our reports on the ship. Like the officer of the watch will make a report. Sunset, sir. Both nav lights burning brightly. Gyro checked and found 0.1 milliradian high. Depth in area 40 meters. Ships in company INS Sheila. 5 miles astern INS Munni is detached for Casix 3 Alpha. Very good. I think very good. And captain, you know, very good. Modulate karte very good. Very good. Very good. Captain sir, bridge. Captain sir, bridge. We have been hit by a torpedo. The engine room is flooded. We are going down, sir. We have abandoned ship. We have abandoned ship now, sir. Abandoned ship now, sir. Very good. Very bad. Everything very good. And can you please send the captain steward with a life jacket, please? In the Air Force, they make there's no report. Hey dude, hey bro, hey buddy. Don't even dare to call me. Don't even dare to message me. Unless the airfield is under attack and this air raid warning red. Simple. They have simple. Main power source off कर दो, ना रहेगा बांस, ना बजेगी बांसुरी. Oh, wow, 4 claps. No, but language, we speak different languages. Like army used to secure the building. They will cordon off the building, put armed sentries, look for IEDs. Like building is secure, sir. Everything's secure. Navy will secure the building. They'll switch off the lights, fans. They will switch off the computers, lock the rooms, and then they have this very major sign for the master chief. The senior sailor will come, sir. Secure कर दे, sir. Sir, secure कर दे. Secure कर दिया तो off working hours they'll put a duty party also, because in the Navy we are party animals. Standing sea fire party, attack party, boarding party, Shramdan party, Nautanki party, everything is party. In the Air Force, they will put the building on lease for 5 years, maybe 10. Sir, building is secure. It's a long investment. Oh, wow. Thank you. But I've been with the Air Force for long, and we were on a detachment to Kalaikonda for our air to ground phase, and we did a 4 aircraft strike mission, came back, and sometimes it's a long flight. You have a debrief immediately, but I had to go to the loo, so I went to the loo. Didn't wash after. So I was just coming out of the loo. There was one senior wing commander in the adjoining cubicle. He looked back like, "Hey, young man, don't they teach you in the Navy to wash your hands after you pee?" I was in a hurry. I was like, "Sir, no, they don't, but they teach us not to pee on our hands." Giant, sir. I have seen familiar faces in the audience in the previous shows. My father-in-law, he came for my show, sir. So मैंने शुरू ऐसे किया पहले. But he laughed at every joke. Every joke, so encouraging. Later, he was talking to my wife on the phone. I always told you married a joker. मैं तो यहाँ तक कहूँगा clown. Yeah. I wanted to watch it live. I took Adesh, Sandesh as witnesses. Don't worry, he'll never come to know. I laughed at everything. मैं इधर खड़ा हूँ. I am seeking blessings. He is giving no. So, yeah. Sir, ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हो, sir? नहीं, father.
He is 90-year-old. थोड़ी सी इनके.
I'm not 90.
The Fauji live show, and it was absolutely amazing. And being the Navy brat that I am, I kind of understand the life that dad lives, and it was really funny. I had a great time, and yeah, I love you.
As a non-Fauji background person, I think it was really fun. I don't think it was meant only for Fauji's, so to speak. It was for everyone.
The kind of energy that this guy has, it is unbelievable. And I just love the impromptu ad hoc jokes from Manik.
Incredibly awesome. We laughed our lungs out. Thank you so much. Thank you.
To hear funny things about the armed forces in a very good way. And I think it was right on target.
Love the show. I think Manik was absolutely amazing and he should do more of these.
फौजी लाइफ मतलब it was like goosebumps आ गए थे तुम्हारे रगड़ा वाले किस्से सुन के.
All of us almost fell off our chairs laughing. Thank you so much, Manik. To perform in Chennai, it needs a separate josh, okay? And you find that josh there,
We just couldn't stop laughing throughout the time. God bless him.
नेवी भी कवर हो गया, एयरफोर्स भी हो गया और आर्मी भी हो गई. और बल्ले बल्ले जिसको बोलते हैं. Nice, excellent. Keep it up.
Amazing.
What do you do with this?